Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today, guys, we're going to be opening up two different packages. This comes from a young man. His name is Isaiah Farrell. He's from Ellaville, West Virginia. He sent me a package before. I can't wait to see what's in there. And also, Mr. Tommy Hurt from Portland, Tennessee. So we're going to see what's in there as well. So hope y'all enjoy the video. Okay, guys, this one here is from Mr. Tommy Hurt. This one here is from Isaiah from West Virginia. We're going to be opening this one up first. Alrighty, Mr. Isaiah, dear knife doctor, this is Isaiah Farrell from Ellaville, West Virginia. I sent you some knives a few months ago. I like to trade knives with you. I have two knives here for you. I take anything for them. If you don't want to trade, you can keep them. And he puts his address down here. I'm not going to share this, but I thought I accidentally cut his thing. But this is so nice, buddy. From Isaiah Farrell. P.S. Happy birthday. And if I remember right, he's 10 years old. I'll trade you something for it. I'll get you something in the mail this next week. Wow. That's pretty cool right there now. Pocket clip, liner lock, thumb studs, serrated edge. It's sharp now. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate this, Isaiah. Thank you so much, man. Very cool. Pakistani. Awesome, buddy. Thank you so much. I appreciate these knives, Isaiah. And I will get you something in the mail next week, man. And it's not going to be knives, though. I don't send minors or young men knives. I let the parents do that, or the grandparents. You was over 18, I would, man. But I'll get you something in the mail, okay? You'll like it. I promise you. I'm having some made right now. So, but thank you again, buddy, and I appreciate you wishing me a happy birthday. But I thank you for these knives so much, man. God bless you, buddy. We thank you, man. Isaiah sent those knives all the way from Elkview, West Virginia, 643 miles away from Ellaville, Georgia. That's his second package. Isaiah, thank you for the knives, buddy. And I'll be getting you something in the mail sometime next week. God bless you, buddy. Tell your grandpa I said hello. Okay, now we're going to be opening the package all the way from Portland, Tennessee, from Mr. Tommy Hurt. Dude, this is awesome, man. March 18th, 2024. Hello, Knife Doctor. I just want to thank you for all the joy you send my way each day. I look forward to each video. I have learned so much from watching you, and I bet I'm not the only one inspired to look for old knives again. I've enclosed a few small items for you. Sorry that I couldn't find a treasure. Thank you for your service. Tommy Hurt, Portland, Tennessee. Please put the buck 110 in the auction. Well, buddy, thank you so much for that. Thank you, man. Thank you. Awesome. Let's look at that right now. Mr. Tommy wants to put this into the auction. This is so cool, buddy. Ain't that awesome? It's a buck 110 light. Very cool. Nylon sheath. Awesome. Got some good stuff in the auction, y'all. It's gonna be on whatnot. And I'm shooting for the first week of April. But I'll once I get it scheduled, I'll be sharing the link. I'll be giving you more information on when it is. But again, the auction is for Tunnels for Towers. It's a great organization that helps first responders and veterans. So thank you, Tommy. I appreciate this, buddy. I'm gonna again. This will be in the auction. Man, this is treasure enough. Oh my God, look at that, y'all. That's so cool right there now. I love that. Very cool. It's a keychain, man. Awesome, 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 awesome. Thank you for that. Whoa, check that out, y'all. Ain't that cool? I've always wanted to try one of these. This is the Edge Outdoors. All you do is change out the blade, y'all. The razor blade. Ooh, boy, that thing is razor sharp. Ain't that cool? Very cool. That's a razor blade, y'all. And all you do is change them out when they get dull. Very cool. Man alive. Wow. Tommy, thank you for this, buddy. Awesome. Thank you so much. I love that. A SD Classic. I love it. I can't get enough of these things. Victorinox. Switzerland. Hoorah. It's got the toothpick. And again, guys, I'm going to say it every time I get one. These tweezers are the best. If you've never tried them, if you don't believe me, just try them. They got the best grip, and they work very well, and they get the smallest things. SD stands for screwdriver. The regular Victorinox Classic just has a nail file with a point, but the SD is got a point as a screwdriver. So very cool. Awesome, buddy. Thank you so much for this. I love these. I really do. Great for EDCs. I use them all the time. All the time. Started this at TS Tractor Supply and couldn't pass it up. I like tractor, if that's what you're talking about. Oh yeah. Thank you, man. Thank you so much for that. I love that right there. I'll put it down there at my cabin, man. I'll hang it on the wall. Awesome. I love that. Thank you so much for this, buddy. Love it, love it, love it. Oh boy, didn't know if you have these, Kevin. How about this, y'all? Oh my God. Look at this, y'all. Oh my God. Tommy, thank you so much, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you, man. Look at that, y'all. Oh, Tommy. This is awesome, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Tommy, I'm going to put this up on the wall of fame. Thank you, buddy, so much. I love it, man. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you. Wow. I got them both now, man. Thank you so much. Love this. Yeah, I went up to the Black Sea on this ship. I went to Turkey, all up into the Black Sea, Romania, Bulgaria. We went to Italy, France, all over the Med. This was my second Med float, and that was in the end of 91 and part of 92. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Thank you for this, Tommy. Fixing to put it on my wall of fame right now. There it is, guys. Thank you, Tommy. Appreciate it so much, buddy. Appreciate it so much. Tommy sent those knives and gifts all the way from Portland, Tennessee. 419 miles away from Ellaville, Georgia. Buddy, I want to thank you for that. Now I have both ships up there on my wall of fame. I even put that one down there. But thank you, Tommy. I appreciate all the knives and gifts, buddy. God bless you. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today, and I just certainly want to thank Mr. Tommy and Isaiah for all the knives and gifts. Thank y'all so much. I'm humbled so much that people would think enough of me to be sending me stuff like this. Thank y'all so much. And I just want to say, guys, I have the best subscribers. I'm going to say it every time. In every video, y'all prove it. Y'all prove it. Just thank y'all so much. And I love that USS Whidbey Island patch. Thank you, Tommy. I appreciate it so much. I really do. But again, guys, thank y'all again for tuning in. I just want to thank all y'all for the support. Thank you for the views. Thank you for all these gifts. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. I just can't thank y'all enough, guys. But again, guys, look for the auction. I want to thank Tommy again for donating that Buck 110 light to the auction, the Tunnels to Towers auction that we'll be doing. I'm shooting for the first weekend in April sometime. When it gets closer, I'll be putting an announcement like a week out before, like when it starts. I'll create it and I'll share the link. We're gonna have a bunch of good stuff, and I get stuff in every day that's going to be added. So I just want to thank y'all so much for all the contributions and donations to the Tunnels to Towers auction. And it's going to be on Whatnot. So I know I've got new subscribers out there, but I have I'm going to try to do a monthly or once every 2 or 3 months. I want to be doing a Whatnot auction, and all the money, the proceeds, is going to be going to Tunnels to Towers. We're sending them from the last auction $654. It was $636, but it updated again. It turned out to be $654. We sold like $746, so they kept about $90 of that, which that's not too bad. We sold 20 items and sold for $746. So and then I take those proceeds and I'm gonna sending it to Tunnels to Towers, and I'll show y'all a receipt where I sent it in. We're still waiting the money to be released from PayPal, so we're just waiting on that, and we're gonna be going online and sending them $654. So thank y'all again. But again, we're gonna be having another one. I'm shooting for the first week of April, and I'll give you a link and a date of when that's gonna be closer it gets. So thank y'all again for everything, guys. I just want to say God bless y'all, and until we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good night. Stay sharp.